Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix CMD command prompt not working in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem you can try some easy method. First one, open File Explorer. First one, right click on Start and open Task Manager. Now in this Task Manager, find out Windows Command Processor. So you will see this option. So find out it, Windows Command Processor, then click on End Task. Now close it and try to open CMD. If this method is not work, so try another method. Right click anywhere, move cursor to new and click on shortcut. Now type any name and like cmd.exe. Then click on next. Type a name for this shortcut like cmd, then click on finish. Now right click on it, then click on properties. Now click on advanced tab, check this box, run as administrator, then click on OK. Now apply, then OK. Now try to open it, so it will work. In case this second method is not work, so try last method. Click on start, type sysdm.cpl, open this setting. Now anyhow click on advanced, then click on environment variable. Now select here path, then click on edit, then click on new. Now open File Explorer. Now C drive. Now Windows. Now find out Windows sys wow 64. So find out this folder system wow 64. Select it now. Copy this path. Click on new and paste here. Then click on OK. Now click on OK. Then OK. Now restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this method, this CMD problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.